Popular spreads like peanut butter are high in protein, good fats, vitamin E, and fiber, all of which are good for the mother's health as well as the growth and baby. However, some people may be allergic to peanuts, and consuming peanut butter may cause an allergic reaction. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, where we discuss topics related to food, health and pregnancy. Peanut butter is a popular spread that many people around the world enjoy. It's made from ground, roasted peanuts and is commonly spread on toast, sandwiches, and crackers. Many pregnant women wonder if it is safe to consume peanut butter and if there are any benefits or risks to doing so. In this video, we will look at the benefits and risks of eating peanut butter while pregnant. Benefits of consuming peanut butter during pregnancy. Rich in protein, peanut butter is an excellent source of protein, which is necessary for the baby's growth and development. Protein is also beneficial to the mother's health because it helps to maintain muscle mass and the immune system. Rich in healthy fats. Peanut butter is also high in healthy fats like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats are essential for the baby's brain development and can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Rich in vitamin E. Peanut butter is also a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that can help protect the mother and baby from free radical damage. Rich in fiber. Peanut butter is also high in fiber, which is beneficial to digestion and the prevention of constipation. Low in cholesterol. Peanut butter is also low in cholesterol, which reduces the risk of heart disease. Risks of consuming peanut butter during pregnancy. Allergic reactions. Some people are allergic to peanuts, and eating peanut butter while pregnant can result in an allergic reaction. Hives, itching, swelling, and difficulty breathing are all symptoms of an allergic reaction. Risk of contamination. Peanut butter can be contaminated with bacteria or mold, resulting in food poisoning. Check the expiration date and purchase peanut butter from a reputable source. High in calories. Peanut butter is high in calories and, if consumed in excess, can contribute to weight gain. Peanut butter should be consumed in moderation and in conjunction with other healthy foods. Risk of aflatoxins. A toxic substance produced by mold can contaminate peanut butter. Aflatoxins can harm the liver and raise the risk of cancer. Let me summarize. Peanut butter can be a nutritious and tasty addition to a healthy pregnancy diet. It's high in protein, good fats, vitamin E, and fiber. However, there are some risks to eating peanut butter while pregnant, such as allergic reactions, contamination, and aflatoxins. It is important to consume peanut butter in moderation and from a trustworthy source. If you have a history of peanut allergies, consult your doctor before consuming peanut butter while pregnant. Every pregnancy is different. Be sure to consult with a healthcare provider about your circumstances if you have any questions about eating peanut butter or any other symptoms while pregnant. Thanks for watching. We upload new videos every week about food, health and pregnancy. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications when I post new videos.